Hi guys, this is Kara from Jiangxi Little Art Tools. Nice to talk with you from here. Today, let me introduce one of our products for you, circular saw blades. There are some different diameters, from 4 inch to 18 inch, suitable for cutting different soft and hard wood. For example, this one with 4 inch. It is suitable for home use, for cutting some small tree with angle grinder, and this one with 12 inch. It is suitable for professional woodworking with table saw. And we are a professional manufacturer of hardware tools, accept OEM and ODM service. Please contact me for more details. Thank you.